Hello, how to evaluate 1 over 9 to the power of 1 over 9 with our calculator. So what we are going to do now is we are going to consider this identity. If you have a power 1 over n, this equals the n root of a. So we apply this identity right here. So what we are going to have will be the ninth root of 1 over 9. And this equals, we can have the ninth root of 1 divided by the ninth root of 9. And from here we have the ninth root of 1 is 1 divided by the ninth root of 9. Now let's consider this other identity. If you have 1 divided by the n root of a, this equals 1 divided by the n root of a times we have the n root of a to the power of n minus 1 divided by the n root of a to the power of n minus 1 as well. Now in this case, if you consider this, our n equals 9 and a equals 9. So let's substitute this right here and here. So what we are going to have will be our n is 9, so we have 1 divided by the ninth root of 9 equals 1 divided by the ninth root of 9 times ninth root of 9 to the power of 9 minus 1 divided by ninth root of 9 to the power of 9 minus 1. So right now, we are going to have 1 divided by the ninth root of 9 equals 1 divided by the ninth root of 9 times the ninth root of 9 to the power of 9 minus 1 is 8 divided by the ninth root of 9 to the power of 9 minus 1 is 8. So at this particular point, this is ninth root of 9 here, and this is ninth root of 9 power 8. Now, if you have a root of n times a root of n, you can simply have it as the a root of n times n. So the a root will cover this put. So we apply the same thing here at the denominator. Now for the numerator, we simply multiply this by 1, and we are simply going to have the same thing again. So what we are going to have will be, this will give us this times 1 is ninth root of 9 power 8 divided by, for the denominator, let's find that right now. For the denominator, we are simply going to have, this is ninth root of 9 times 9 power 8 using this other identity. Now this will simply give us the ninth root of 9 power 8 divided by, this is 9 to the power of 1. Now if you have a power n times a power n, this equals a power n plus n. So we apply this right here. That means we are simply going to have the ninth root of 9 power 1 plus 8. So from here, we are simply going to have the ninth root of 9 power 8 divided by the ninth root of 9 power 1 plus 8 is 9. So from here, what we are going to do will be to consider this other identity. Now, if you have the a root of a, this equals a power 1 over a. So we apply the same thing right here. And also we apply it right here. So we are simply going to have this equals the ninth root of, okay, let's apply it right now. So we have 9 power 8 to the power of 1 over 9. Applying this identity, then divided by, this is 9 power 9, or to the power of 1 over 9. So we therefore apply a power n raised to the power of n equals a power n times n. We apply this as well. So this will give us 9 power 8 times 1, that is 8 over 9, divided by 9 power 9 times 1, that is 9 divided by 9. And from here, we are going to have, this is 9 is 3 power 2, that is the perfect square, that is 9 is 3 power 2 to the power of 8 over 9, divided by this, cancel this, so we have 9. Now from here we have 3 to the power of 2 times 8, that is 16 divided by 9, divided by 3. This is 3 to the power of 2, which is the same thing as 9, or 3 power 2. So what we can do at this particular point will be to simply divide the numerator and the denominator by 3. So we have this equals 3 to the power of 16 divided by 9, divided by 3. Then we have divided by 3 to the power of 2 divided by 3. So if you divide this by 3, you are simply going to have 3 to the power of 16 divided by 9 times 3 to the power of -1. That's how you can do this. So this also is divided by, this will give you 3, because it's just like having 9 divided by 3, which is 20. So at this particular point, you simply simplify this numerator, that is 16 over 9 minus 1. So you add it, so you have this equals 3 to the power of, this is 16 over 9 minus 1, because you add them together. And this is over 1. This is divided by 3. So from here you have, if you simplify this, the common LCM here is 9. Then you have 16 minus 9 divided by 9. So this is 3 power 16 minus 9 divided by 9. This is divided by 9 divided by 3. So from here, what you are going to have is simply 3 power, this will give you 7 over 9 divided by 3. And from here, we can simply have it as, this is 3 to the power of 7, or to the power of 1 over 9. This is divided by 3. So from here, you can have 3 to the power of 7 is simply 2187. So you have 2187 to the power of 1 over 9 divided by 3. And you can as well express it as the 9th root of 2187. This is divided by 3. So that is it. And that is how you can evaluate this without calculator to its lowest point.